Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy. For those of you who are new, today I'm getting my wig installed by Stush, and Stush is the owner of Stush Creation. So in most of my videos you see me with a Stush elastic band or using a Stush slick stick. She is the owner of that company. So this video is sponsored by Geniuswigs, and today I'm going to be getting a short curly wig installed, and this is the shortest wig I've ever installed, so I was a little bit skeptical, but it came out so good. So Stush was able to customize this unit for me. She bleached the knots. There were no knots when she was done. Zero. She tweezed it perfectly. She set it for me. Everything just ready to be installed. And honestly guys, I'm just loving the idea of getting my hair installed on my own every single time. But yes, as you guys can see, she gave me a wonderful bald cap. It was a nice and perfect right fit to my hairline, because I don't typically like the wigs coming further down on my head, because it just looks better when it's, you know, a lot more forehead showing. So I want you guys to check out my installation and the finished results. This style came out so cute. I'm still wearing this wig and it's been almost a week later. She installed it so well, but not only that, the unit looks so good on me. I'm getting so many compliments on this specific wig. I was thinking that because it was short, it's gonna look like an auntie wig, it was gonna look like a granny wig, but no, it was like the opposite. I was getting like classy, I was getting like sexy and cute, it was showing a lot of my face. I'm just thinking that I'm gonna try these short curly wigs a lot more often. Because I'm always going for the typical long wigs, but honestly I'm so impressed with how this unit came out. Not only just her customization, but just also the shape of the wig and how it looked with the deep side part that I got. So I want you guys to sit back, watch the installation process, and look at the finished look. And trust me, if you haven't tried a short curly wig, I think you should try one now, because it's definitely a look. It's definitely it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of it. Don't forget to check out the description box below, because you guys know I'm gonna leave all the details for you guys to purchase a wig if you love how this wig looked on me. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy.